Hey guys, it's Jess and I'm back with another video for iCrafter. Today I'm going to be making a super quick clean and simple card using some Distress Oxide swiping. So you can see here that I am taking my Distress ink pad and I am swiping it directly onto my paper. Now I did make a boo-boo when I was doing this and I did overlap one of my colors. I overlapped the yellow and the blue, and it made green, which was cool, except for it got the ink on my Distress Oxide pad. You're not going to want to do that because it will contaminate your ink pad. Don't do what I did. But I was able to just go ahead and swipe it off on a piece of scrap cardstock and it was okay. So I caught it early enough that it doesn't seem to have affected anything, but just be careful not to mix your colors that way. You could always use an ink blending tool to get similar results if you wanted to do it that way and not risk, contaminating your ink pads at all. All right, so I'm going to take the Love die cut and line it up so that it is over the pink and the yellow area. I'm going to grab my die cut machine and go ahead and run this through. So this die is from the January release from iCrafter, and I really like this one because it can be used for so many different things and it's a really good size for a card. I decided to go ahead and cut it 3 times. So I cut it once over the pink and the yellow, and then I went ahead and cut it again over the yellow and the green sort of area, and then a third time over the blue and purple. So the effect at the end is that I get a gradient sort of rainbow effect with my card, and I think it looks really nice. If you ever have trouble getting out the little bits and pieces from your die cuts, you can always use one of these little brushy tools and scrape it all out, and that helps to get any of the pieces that are stuck inside the die out. And if you need to save those like I have up in the left corner there, just on a little dish or something like that, if you think you might use them for a die cut inlay technique later on. All right, so to finish off my sentiments, I decided to go ahead and print from my label maker just 2 little words, is, so that my sentiment is going to say love is love is love with a little rainbow, which I thought was super cute. I like to have a card like this on hand just for any sort of occasion that pops up. But I really like the rainbow effect with that and kind of the message behind there. So I don't know, I really like this card. I am really digging clean and simple cards lately. I've been doing more and more clean and simple, and normally my style, I guess, is more scene building and less of the clean and simple style. But I've really been enjoying kind of getting out of my comfort zone and challenging myself to do something that I don't normally do. And I feel like I'm becoming a stronger crafter because of it. It just helps me be able to do things in a pinch a little bit better, whereas before, if I tried to do a clean and simple card, it was like a really stressful occasion for me. And I know everyone's different, so some people are like killer at clean and simple and really struggle with scene cards, but I'm the opposite. I do okay with scene cards, and then I look at a clean and simple one and I'm like, oh, that's so pretty, but I can't do that. So I'm challenging myself to do it more, and I'm just adhering these little guys with some Lawn Fawn glue tube, one of my favorite adhesives, so I keep reaching for that for sure. So to finish off this card, I decided I wanted to go ahead and pop it up on some foam tape from scrapbook.com. This is the 1-inch foam tape, so it's 1 inch wide, and I just layer it right on top of the other piece so that I can get them all the same size. You don't have to worry about them sticking and not being able to be pulled apart because they have that release paper that makes it so that it comes off when it's on the roll. And my favorite thing about this foam adhesive is that it is so easy to take the backer off. All right, so I mounted that on a white A2 size card base, and that finished off my card, you guys. Here in just a second, you can take a look at the finished project. Be sure to drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think about this card down below. I always love to hear what you guys think. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also be sure to hit that bell notification icon so you get notified every time I post a new video or go live. And I'll see you guys again in another video really soon. Bye!